What it do? What's up? Hey. What's pop-a-locking, my good fam? What's good? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and y'all, in today's video, we are doing mini braids on my natural hair. Y'all, this is the perfect protective style, especially for the winter time and also for the summertime, or really just any time to give yourself a break with your natural hair. And that's exactly what I need, so I am going to be doing mini braids on my natural hair today. Before I go ahead and get into the details of today's video, if you are not already part of the Curly Chris fam, okay? If you are new to your girl's channel today, I need you to do one thing for your girl and one thing only, and that is to smash that button down below, okay? Smash that button down below. Go ahead and join the fam, and we need you here, period, all right? All right, so for these mini braids, we have to, of course, make sure our hair is very juicy and moisturized, okay? And for my hair, I've already went ahead and washed, of course, and y'all, look how juicy my curls are looking already. And I've already applied the Kaleidoscope Milkshake Leave-In Detangler Spray, and this whole entire video is sponsored by Kaleidoscope. They sponsored your girl's video today, so shout out to you guys, y'all the GOAT. And the product that I already have used is the Milkshake Leave-In Detangler Spray infused with coconut milk. Y'all, this bad boy is really nice. So the product is very liquidy, as you can see, and it is a spray. So you see that? It sprays like that. But it has a lot of moisture packed into this bad boy right here. I sprayed it onto my hair, and my hair felt so good. Like, oh, it really does a good job with soaking into your hair and feeling moisturizing. So I really do like that. And right now I'm also going to go in with my Miracle Drops. You guys know I've been using these on the regular. So every week applying them 3 to 5 times a week to my hair. And y'all, the scalp been itching. The scalp been itching, okay? Y'all know what they say, if your scalp is itching, that means your hair is growing. Of course, like, besides your hair being dirty. But if your hair is clean and your scalp is itching, a little growth's coming along, sis, okay? We're going to apply this to this section. And then massage it on in. So after you've applied your leave-in conditioner to your hair for your mini braids, just go ahead and apply a cream to your hair, whichever one of your choice. Just something that is nice and moisturizing, but also, once again, not too thick. Just go ahead and apply a moisturizing cream to your hair, and of course seal that in with your favorite oil. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Judy brush by Kaleidoscope and detangle this section and then braid. Y'all, we finna be here all day, baby. Let's play a little game. Drop in the comment section down below how long you think it took me to install these braids. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it's gonna take me about 3 hours. But you drop your guess down below, and then once the video goes live, I'll post in the comments how long it really took me. And then once I get to the end, combine the 2 pieces into one and do a twist, and then curl around the end. And boom. Y'all, look how small. Oh, baby, we finna be here all day. So I just now remember, like, since this is a protective style, I also am going to want it to look really neat. So what I'm going to be doing is adding the Kaleidoscope Edge Control to my roots. Alright, y'all, so I am going to be making sure my parts are very neat, and I'm doing that with my rat tail comb. And then I'm also going to be making my box parts for this style, of course. And after I make the part, I'm going in with the Kaleidoscope Edge Control and applying it to the roots of each of the braids. And this way it's way more sleek. The style is just way more sleek all around, and it looks really good since it is a protective style and you'll have it in for a longer period of time. I went higher up with the edge control on my other ones, but I just couldn't see what I was doing for this one.
so I didn't go as high up, but go higher up with your edge control so that it could be very, very sleek. And also, as you guys can see, I am pulling my hair tight at the root once I braid. That's very, very important. You want to pull your hair very, very tight at the root and then braid on down as you typically would with any other braid. Nothing new there. But you get that nice sleek look by adding edge control and also braiding tight at the root and then going on down. Now, whenever it comes to my braids, I don't typically braid tightly down the hair because it kind of shrinks up, or crinkles up I should say, so I don't braid too tight with the actual braid. So here I am once again showing you guys how I do it. I apply the edge control, pull tight at the root, and then braid on down.
Y'all, we are at the freaking end. When I tell y'all don't understand how happy I am right now. I ain't gonna lie though. They looking cute. I think they look good. I got so many in my head. I don't know what I thought I was doing. I did not think this through all the way because I have to take these out, okay? I gotta take these out. But we're gonna get some cute content and some cute pics while we got them in, okay? And I love how I added the edge control at the roots because it most definitely made it look way more neat. Now, of course, if you add this edge control, you cannot re-add edge control after wearing this for a long time because there's something called knots and you will get them, okay? And you ain't finna blame Curly Chris. Do understand? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. It's pretty much dry already, but tomorrow we're gonna get cute and everything. And we're gonna look at it and see how this looks, y'all, because I'm excited. Your girl got some mini braids, okay?
Talk to me, sis or bro. Talk to me. This is fire. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys get a good look at the results, and then we're gonna talk and everything of that sort.
So here we are the next day and my hair is fully dry, honey. Fully dry. And y'all, actually it's not even the next day, it's actually 2 days later. And y'all, these braids are popping. And when I tell y'all the moisture of my braids, like they feel so good, so moisturized. I can't stop playing in them. Like I love to squeeze braids and just play with them. I don't know why. But y'all, this is it, okay? Honestly, I may even like these more than mini twists. Like, I can't believe I'm saying that. But like, honestly, because I just feel like I'll be able to wear these much longer. And I don't know, like, I just like them. I like them a lot. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I also did a little pink for y'all, okay? Y'all see, sis? Yes, this is a vibe. Let me know in the comment section down below. Drop some pink hearts for your girl if you are feeling this style. If you feel like I did doggone thing, let me know in the comment section down below. I need to stop yelling because I be yelling in my videos apparently, but I just feel like I be talking, y'all, but I talk very loud. So I'm sorry if I be killing y'all eardrums, but anyway, let me know how y'all feel about this style in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Also, shout out to Kaleidoscope for sponsoring your girl's video today as well, okay? Y'all know I appreciate it because y'all are the GOAT. And once again, I cannot do any of this without y'all support. So thank you so much for always supporting your sis, okay? Ooh. Before I go, if you guys want to see me style these mini braids, let me know in the comment section down below and I will make a styling video of multiple different styles, cute styles that you can wear your braids. But alright y'all, I'm going to see you guys in my next video.